I had high blood sugar, and I went to so times to the hospital. And then my wife recommended me this AlphaMeta. I was not listening before, but after a few days, then I gave it a shot. Uh, After a few days, I found out the results. After a few days, before I cannot stand. After a few days, I was able to stand. I was thinking, and I realized, after using the product, realized, hey, this product is very good, and I saw the benefits. Now, after using Alpha Meta, my health was recovered. I really saw the difference. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the Alpha Meta. I will continue using this because I saw healing with this product. Did Alpha Meta help you to recover your sight? Of course, it's a big help because before I cannot see things from far apart, but now I can see. Before I can't drive. Now I'm not using eyeglass anymore. Before I'm using eyeglass, now I'm not using anymore. I'm not using specs eyeglass anymore. How many months that you used Alpha Meta, then insulin maintenance for diabetes, then Alpha Meta? How months before you removed your spec? Well, I just removed it my own way because I really felt and saw the benefits of Alpha Meta. If you ask me how what I really can feel, I really chose this product because it really helped me a lot. It really helped me. My your blood sugar went down. Yes, my blood sugar is now 110. So now you don't have maintenance, sir. You don't have insulin. No more, no more. It really benefited me a lot. I really saw the benefits. Amazing. How long have you been taking Alpha Meta without insulin? 3 months, sir. 3 months. 3 months. I really saw the benefits. So I really thank my wife. I really thank my wife for introducing me this amazing product. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. One is good, right? Amazing. Real life testimonies. I am one. I am a skeptic guy. I don't easily believe, even if, although it's obvious, I saw the benefit. I still, it's hard for me to believe immediately unless I saw it. I interviewed personally. You see like except like the interview a while ago, one of our mentors in FDI. You see that guy I interviewed. He told me many times that he doesn't use insulin now, but I don't easily believe. He showed me all his medications, the vials that he's not using anymore. One vial of insulin, one vial, 8 injections is 2,000 pesos. In a day, he needs to do 2 injections. So think about it. How much is it? I can't believe that just Alpha Meta without insulin, now no more insulin. That's how skeptic am I. That's how skeptic I don't easily believe. But see, I cannot say he's lying. I saw Alpha Meta. I saw so many bottles of Alpha Meta in his house. 20, more than 20 bottles. All his medicines are there. Unused medicines. Now he's giving away all his medicines. Because his blood sugar
And
from
yung na po yung
500 to
normal,
110.
90
Now
to
it's normal.
120 po is normal
90
na
to
po eh.
120 is
Nakuha
normal.
niyo po?
Normal.
Ngayon question me,
Now
baka
is
kayo
normal.
magka-diabetes.
Do you know
May
any
diabetes,
diabetic person?
pwede po yung AlphaMeta. Very
Now you can
effective.
recommend them
Nakuha niyo po?
AlphaMeta. Very
Ang maganda
effective.
lang, hindi po siya gamot. Siya po ay
The good thing, this is not a
pagkain.
medicine.
So walang nadadamage
It's
po sa katawan.
a food.
Oo, okay? So ayun,